Open any web browser and search Microsoft SQL Server 2022. Then click on SQL Server 2022. After that, click on Downloads and scroll down. Then you will find four options in that download SQL Server 2022 Express Edition. Select a path where you want to download the file. Once the file is downloaded, click on Open. After that, click on Install Anyway. It will ask Privilege Permission. Click on Yes. Then you have to select the installation type. We have three different installation types. One is basic, second one is custom, third one is download media. I will select basic one. Then read all the server license terms. Then click on accept. This is the path where SQL Server will get installed. Click on install. Once the installation is successful, you will get a different paths and with the installation name, SQL administration name, feature installed that is a SQL engine and the version of the SQL engine. Also, you will get a connection string. Basically, you can use this string in different programming languages in order to connect with your SQL server. Then we have a installation log folder path. After that, we have a media folder path. And lastly, we have a resource folder path. Now click on connect now in order to check whether our SQL server is connected successfully or not. If you get one row affected, it means you have connected successfully with your SQL server. Cancel it, and now we want to install a SSMS in order to write our SQL queries. SSMS is nothing but SQL Server Management Studio. So when you click on this button, it will redirect you to the another web page. There you have to scroll down and search for download SSMS 21. Click on it and select a path where you want to save the file. Once the file is downloaded, click on open. Next, click on install anyway. After that, you have to click on continue in order to configure Visual Studio installer. It will take few seconds in order to configure Visual Studio installer. After that, you have to select the components which you want to uh, add in your SSMS. Here I will select all the components. You can also select these components using individual components. You can also set a language which you want, and you can also change the installation location path. Once everything is selected, click on install. Once SSMS is installed, you will get a three different options. One is modify, second one is launch, and third one is more. If you want to modify the components which we have selected earlier, you have to click on modify. Let's consider I want to modify the component. Then you have to click on modify, and you can select a component which you want to add in your SSMS. After that, you will get an install option. You can click on that. Here I will close this and click on launch. As you can see, this is the latest version of SSMS. Click on launch. Click on skip and add accounts later. Click on yes. Here we have to add a server name. For that, click on browse. click on local. You will find the first option, click on that. Here I am getting three options because I have downloaded it for three times. And click on trust center certificate. After that you can also select a color for your SSMS. Here I will keep it as a default color. For me default color is a black theme. Click on connect. So basically this is the object explorer where your all schemas will be present, and this is the menu option from which you can select a multiple options while writing a query. Click on new query. That will open a query editor. Let's consider I want to create a new database. So for that what I can do is I can use a command called as create database, and after that you can give a database name. Here I will give database name as a db. After that click on execute. As you can see, commands completed successfully. Let me increase the font size to 200% and refresh your object explorer in order to confirm whether new database is added in object browser or not. As you can see, new database is added in our object explorer. This is how you can install SQL Server and SSMS in your Windows.